for a camera system to help protect your home or small business? Do you want something that has all the bells and whistles and can even be viewed remotely via your phone or smart device? Well then, my friends, I may just have the product for you. Check out my review of the Lorex 1080p HD 8-channel security system coming up next on Mumbles. Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Mumbles. On today's episode of Mumbles, I'm reviewing this. This, my friends, is the Lorex 1080p HD 8-channel security system with 8 1080p HD waterproof bullet security cameras and advanced motion detection. Now guys, model number wise, this one is model number DP18182NAEW. Guys, this is pretty much the same system as LX1081-44. The only difference between those two systems is the LX one has only 4 cameras that come with it, whereas the one that I'm reviewing and that I have in my area comes with 8 cameras. So they are pretty much the same thing, so you can kind of use this review for both of them if you're looking at both of them. And just make note that the LX one does come with less cameras but has pretty much the same everything. So guys, now that we got that out of the way, I do want to ask you guys all a huge favor. If you have not already, please do subscribe to the channel, ring the little notification bell, and drop a like on the video. Helps the channel to grow, and just know how much I appreciate it. Now guys, let's get into this review of the Lorex DP18182NAEW 1080p HD 8-channel security system. Guys, first thing first, I gave this product a 5 out of 5 on our Mumbles review. Guys, it's a nice little camera system, and if you want to know more about it, please stay tuned because I got a lot of information coming up. So guys, the other thing that I do want to make note of is the one that I got with the 8 cameras cost $380. This is one that more is put out to stores and stuff, so it is a better deal to get people to buy it. And it costs $380, and we got ours at Sam's Club, but they are available at multiple different places for different prices. So please do make special note of that. Now guys, I'm going to tell you what the description for this camera system reads. Protect the people and the things that matter most with this 1080p HD home security system from Lorex. This system features an 8-channel DVR and 8 1080p HD waterproof security cameras. This system also features advanced person/vehicle detection and smart home capability, which allows you to combine active security with the convenience of hands-free voice control. Now guys, just to review what this thing has, it has 8 channels, it comes with 8 cameras, has 130 feet night vision, which is the maximum night vision range. Anything beyond that, it's very hard to see. It comes with a 1 terabyte hard drive, so maximum capability 1 times 8 terabyte hard drive, but it only comes with a 1 terabyte hard drive built in. So guys, that is what the description reads. I got a whole lot more information to cover coming up, so just bear with me as I go through all this. I'm just going to give some basic ideas of what this thing says because it's a big long thing on their website, but I do want to cover the main features that this product has. It has 1080p HD video for crisp, detailed footage. Advanced motion detection. Be aware, whenever motion is detected on your property with advanced motion detection, this system features person/vehicle detection on up to 2 channels, which helps remove unnecessary alerts and false alarms from moving branches or animals. Important motion events are recorded and can easily be found using the smart search features, which organizes events by type. It is fully weatherproof. It also has remote viewing from your mobile with Lorex Home. Now, as far as what it can be used on mobile-wise, Apple iPhone, Apple iPad, Android phone, Android tablet, and Apple TV. It also has smart home capability, meaning that it can be used by Amazon Alexa, Google Assist, and Apple TV and Chromecast. Now, I do want to make some special notes here, but that will be coming up later on that part. It has a single cable camera connection, meaning that it runs through 1 cable, so you only have to make 1 drill hole for the cable to go from the system to the actual camera itself, and it can be used with or without the internet. Now, guys, if you use it with the internet, you of course can use the mobile app and everything that comes with it. If you do not connect this into the internet, then unfortunately you will not be able to use it remotely. You will just have it off the internet, and there you go. So guys, as far as the box, it is 1080p high definition digital video surveillance recorder, and it is only capable of recording up to 1080p footage. So anything beyond that, it will not be able to record. Now, it comes with 1 DVR, 1 HDMI cable, 1 power adapter, 1 USB mouse, and 1 Ethernet cable. So as far as what the cameras come with, each camera comes with obviously the camera, 1 mounting kit, 1 60-foot extension cable, you run this from the camera to the recorder, and one power adapter. Now, you can add different types of cameras to this system, but again, remember, this thing can only record 1080p footage, so anything beyond that, it's not going to be able to work. So take that for what you will, but you can use different types of cameras. Let's say, you know, fortunately somebody smashes a camera, you can use pretty much any camera so long as it is 1080p. So guys, to summarize this in a quick, neat, easy to understand format, this thing has a couple different things. It has the HD hard drive that comes with it, 1 terabyte. It has cameras that come with it. If you're got the 8 camera system with it, then you're going to get 8 cameras with it, and it has all the cables that you need to come with it. As far as the features that it has night vision, it has day vision, it has the ability to digitally zoom in on things, and it can record your footage. It can also be viewed remotely. You can connect it to your mobile phone using the Lorex app. So those are just some of the main features that this thing has, and that is our basic little summarize of what it said in that big long section I just did. Now guys, I do want to tell you guys what the cons of this product are, and we're going to kind of go back to the smart home capabilities that this thing has. As far as the remote idea of this product, it works great on cell phones and tablets and things like that. Anything you can download the Lorex Home app on, you can actually see great and it will work great. However, my issue lies with the voice recognition of this product. We have connected this thing to Alexa, Amazon Alexa, and which is the Amazon Echo. And the Amazon Echo itself does not allow you to change the camera. So if you talk to Alexa and you say, hey, change it to this, on the Echo, she won't change it unless she has a screen. Now, if she has a screen, she will, but if she does not have a screen, she won't. So if you're getting this thing to connect to Alexa to kind of voice control it, you can't really do that without having a screen on Alexa, which kind of defeats the purpose. Now, the other thing that I do want to make special note of is that on your Amazon Kindle, you can get the Alexa skill and get the skill for this thing so that you can then tell your tablet, hey, show me camera 7, show me camera whatever. And it will do that. But the thing is that the Lorex app on the Amazon Kindles, you cannot download them from the Amazon App Store. Now, you can go around that or whatever you want to do. There are ways around that, but I'm not going to tell you how to do that or condone any of that. I'm saying out of the box, when you get it and you enable it on your tablet, you do not have a Lorex app that you can put on your tablet to see. That means you have to literally tell your tablet, hey, show me this. Then it will show you that. You cannot see a 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 camera picture on your phone. You have to actually tell it commands, which is a big time con for me because, you know, if somebody's out front and I'm looking at my camera system, I don't want to have to tell it, hey, show me the front door. I don't want to have to do that because I don't want them to hear me. So that's a little bit of disappointment. There are ways around that again, but I did want to make special note of that. So now, guys, the second con that I have for this product is the actual directions themselves. Guys, direction-wise, they were a little light on the directions. I mean, camera companies and all companies are really going towards lack of directions at this point. They want to save paper and stuff, which I understand, but they don't really even tell you how to set up or use the Alexa app with when you get it set up. And then they don't really tell you anything about how to use the mobile app. And for an older generation or, you know, people that aren't tech savvy, that's a little bit of a bummer because you kind of have to do the trial and error. How do I do this? How do I switch that? There's not really a lot of directions or directive online on how to use those apps or really how to do much of anything. So it can be a little bit confusing that way. So guys, those are our 2 cons that I have for this product. Now I'm just going to tell you guys what my thoughts and why I gave this thing a 5 out of 5 on our Mumbles review. Guys, we had an old camera system and you can see pictures from that here. As you can see, things were blurry. It just didn't look very good. It was hard to distinguish if anybody was out front. It just wasn't the greatest quality. At the time we got it, it was pretty good quality, but technology has advanced. So it was time for an upgrade. And so we got another Lorex system, and this one is the 1080 HD, and it looks fantastic. Guys, whether it's during the day or during the night, you can literally see this thing crisp clear as if you were watching a TV show. I mean, it is very, very crisp and clean. For a camera system that's not even a 4K or 2K or anything like that, 1080p, it works fantastic. You can see things, you can see night vision, day vision, and the ultimate thing, and the reason that I gave this thing a 5 out of 5 is because the mobile viewing app works so good. You can download it to your phone, and you can literally see it anywhere. It shows up, it picks up, you can actually literally rewind on there. You can have all the features that you have on your camera system, you can have right in your hand. And that's a major selling point for me because let's be honest here. 9 times out of 10, if something happens, either you're not there or you're someplace else or something's going on, you can literally just turn on your phone and say, oh my gosh, somebody's breaking into my business. Oh my gosh, somebody's breaking in here. Oh my gosh, something's happened here. You can literally view your system on your phone, and that is fantastic. The only real downer for this thing, again, as I said, was the Alexa portion. I didn't really buy it for that, but I wanted to set it up so that I could, tell you guys on the review. But that's the only real bummer for this thing. Not going to knock the score for it. It's a fantastic little camera system. You can view it great. It looks great in nighttime and daytime. Everything about this camera system went on great. It went on easily, and it worked fantastic. Nothing but good things to say, guys. 5 out of 5 on our Mumbles review. So, guys, this has been my review of the Lorex 1080p 8 camera system. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Please smack that subscribe button, smack the like button, and smack all those buttons. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.